Hello friends, welcome to Byte Buddies Adventures. Today we're going to meet a special girl named Chipo. Chipo loves learning new things, just like you. Are you ready for a fun adventure? Say yes. One day Chipo said, I want to learn coding, but I don't have a computer. Oh no, that made her feel a little sad. Let me ask you, do you have a computer at home? That's okay. Let's see what happens next. Suddenly, something amazing happened. Friendly robots appeared. They said, Don't worry, Chipo. You can learn coding without a computer. Wow! Isn't that exciting? The robots taught Chipo something very important. Coding is giving instructions. Let's say it together. Instructions. Instructions. Great job. Robots follow instructions step by step. Robots can do many different jobs. This robot carries books. This robot cleans. And this robot helps to guide. Now tell me, what would you like your robot to do? Okay, now it's your turn. Let's become robots. Stand up. Move forward. Turn left. Turn right. Stop. Awesome. You followed the instructions. Wow. You just did coding. Just like Chipo. You can be a coder too. Say it with me. I can be a coder. Remember, learning can happen anywhere. Now it's time for your fun homework. Okay? So you're going to draw your own robot, give your robot a name, and tell us what your robot can do. Okay? Can it dance? Can it help clean? Can it help your family? Then you're going to try this. You're going to give your robot instructions like move forward, turn left, and stop. Then you ask a parent or your teacher to take a photo of your drawing and send it on WhatsApp. You can even add a voice note and say, hello, my robot name is Code. You give us the robot's name and it can do this. We can't wait to see your amazing robots. Bye, friends. See you in the next adventure. Don't forget to send your work. The details for you to send your work are in the description section of this video. All the best.